We all use Google every day, but did you know it can do way more than just show links? Behind that simple search bar are dozens of hidden features that most people have never even tried. So today, I'll show you some of the coolest Google search tricks that almost nobody uses. Let's start with one of my favorites, the cite command. If you want to search within a specific website, just type cite example.com your keyword. For example, type cite wikipedia.org dinosaurs, and Google will only show results from Wikipedia. It's super useful for finding info inside a particular domain without browsing manually. Next, try the related command. Let's say you love YouTube and want to find similar websites. Just type related youtube.com and boom, you'll see other video platforms like Vimeo and Dailymotion. It's perfect for discovering new tools and competitors. Now here's a fun one, the timer and stopwatch trick. Type timer 10 minutes or stopwatch right into Google, and it instantly becomes a built-in timer or stopwatch. No need to install any apps. Another hidden gem is Google's flip a coin or roll a die feature. Just type those phrases in the search bar, and Google gives you a digital coin or dice. Perfect for making quick random decisions or fun little games. You can also use Google's calculator and unit converter right from the search bar. Type something like 54 US dollars to euro or 12 inches in cm, and you'll get instant results, faster than opening a calculator app. But wait, there's more. Try typing Atari Breakout into Google Images, and watch as the page transforms into a playable brick-breaking game. Or search Ask You, and see the whole page tilt slightly, just for fun. And finally, one of the most powerful yet unknown features, Google's Advanced Search. You can access it by clicking Settings Advanced Search at the bottom of the results page. There you can filter by file type, language, date range, and even region, perfect for researchers, students, or journalists. So next time you use Google, remember, it's not just a search engine, it's a Swiss Army knife for the internet. And now you know how to unlock its hidden power. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.